Hi everyone, this is the Morisot painting on page 42 called Textured Paints. You will pick 4 colors for your class and you'll put them on these big palette plates with the popsicle stick for stirring. And we have 4 textures to add into our paint. We have flour, we have sand, which happens to be purple sand, we have glitter, and we have salt. And I would not recommend mixing all of each of those into a paint because it could make it too thick. So we're going to go ahead and start mixing our paints. Iana, if you could pour some on a plate for where you want it, like the purple with the blue maybe.
Okay.
And the silver with the black. Here we go.
Actually, I'm going to put the purple in with the yellow.
Put the purple in with the yellow. Okay, you will end up with a very brown color.
Okay, never mind.
Okay, so purple's gonna go over here in the blue.
I was actually going to do this.
Okay, so let's do this. Come on. Time's a-ticking. There we go. So that'll be part of keeping your class on schedule, is that they have to make their decisions. They have to decide as a class, wherever you're putting it, dump some on the plate. And then they will mix. Don't put it too far and don't put the top on it because you definitely need more in there than what you put. Because we just have a little bit of texture there. So go ahead and put some more on. And we're gonna stir it in.
Need some more?
What do you think? Is that gonna be thick enough, textured enough? There you go, okay. So now you go ahead and do another color while I'm stirring this up. And this is how we're making our textured paints here. And then they will paint with either popsicle sticks or plastic knives or paintbrushes, depending on the look they're going for. And they're gonna paint a naturescape. And putting some salt in with the black.
Yep.
What is gonna mix in with the green?
I think flour.
So you're still putting the purple and the yellow. Go ahead, put the purple and the yellow and see what happens. If the flour is going in with the green, can you put some flour on this plate for me and I will stir? All right.
Sorry, that's probably too much.
I think we're gonna end up with something very fun and thick here, almost frosting-like.
It isn't really changing the color of the paint, it's just changing the color of the sand.
Oh, that's kind of fun. Good to know. Adding more. I think we have plenty of flour in our green.
That looks like frosting.
Very clumpy. I will start moving some of the paints out of your way here so that you can get your canvas down on your paper.
I think that's good.
All right. So as a class, you will decide the textures that you're looking for, and then each student gets a 8x10 canvas, and they will be painting their naturescape on it, whether it's a tree or a flower or an outdoor sunset. In this case, it could be, who knows? What are you gonna do, kiddo?
No idea yet.
The blue would make a very fun sky.
Yep.
With all of its glitter in it. And don't forget to kind of drag it a little bit with the popsicle stick to give it some thick texture. That's the salt, isn't it?
Yeah.
You got a nice glob. You can use this time to talk about Morisot. You can get some books from the library that show her artwork, being sure that what you're demonstrating in class is something you would want your kids to see. Maybe not too many people, certainly only people who are clothed. Kind of leaves out all those little cherubim, but but I don't know that Morisot did any cherubim.
Can I use a different paintbrush?
Yes, they're right there to your right. That'll make some great leaves with the texture that's in it, won't it?
Mm-hmm.
Ah, that's gonna be fun. Because that has teeth in it, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. All right, and you can guide your students through their 30 minutes of painting. And once again, this will be left at the church to dry, and I will be hanging it in the art show at the end of year celebration. So it will not go home with the students today.